This is the Shamrock Flagstaff. And this is the very first one that I have filmed that has the expandable. I'm looking for my wording on this one because I don't know what they consider this. But it's got 3 fold-out sections for bedding. This could be an option for a family, 100%. I mean, you could have a whole gaggle of kids and take them on wonderful vacations. You even have an oven. So I think that that really shows that it's family friendly because you could save a lot of money by cooking instead of eating out. 46,666. Yeah, they could just change that price. But anyway, you have a lot of cabinets. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice. Pleasantly surprised. You know what I'm liking about this rig as well are the light colored cabinets. Because even if you're in an area where it's just cloudy, those having light colored cabinets can definitely help your mood. I am loving this one. This one, I would definitely say don't skip out on touring it. 1 year free roadside assistance benefits. Listen, Forest River, yes. I think that you hit the nail on the head on this one. Nice size refrigerator, freezer, TV, more storage. So let's just turn around. Very spacious, very spacious. It's not a very big rig, but it feels like a house. Tell me what you think in the comments below.